It's day 23 of the Produce Section Challenge, where I show you just how easy and affordable it is to eat healthy. Let's start with some arugula, $3.29. Next we have organic basil, $1.99. Here's a sweet onion, 45 cents. Garlic, 50 cents. Diced tomatoes, 79 cents. Here's some pecans, $1. Roasted almonds, $1.50. Rolled oats, 75 cents. Let's add in some fruit, so here's a banana, 18 cents. Blueberries, which are on sale, for $1.48. We also have a pear, on sale for 44 cents. The last thing I have is a golden delicious apple, and that's going to cost me 50 cents. So I've got a basket full of food. Let's see how much that's going to cost us. So the total today was $12.67. If you haven't already, make sure to join the new Produce Section Challenge group. This is a great place to post recipes, post what you bought for the day, and get inspiration as we continue on this journey towards health and happiness. I'm going to start by adding my oatmeal to some boiling water. Next, I'm going to take my almonds and add them to a blender. Next, I'm going to add my almonds to my blender. I'll also add basil, oregano, sea salt, black pepper, and a little bit of water. So here's what it looks like when it's all together. As you can see, I only fill the water up to about 1/3 of the cup. This way it gets the perfect consistency. Our oatmeal just finished, so we're going to take that almond butter blend and add it to our oats. You're then going to take your almond butter oatmeal mix and you're going to add it to a sheet of parchment paper. We're then going to add that along with our garlic to the oven at 450 degrees. Now we're going to work on our sauce, so we're going to add a can of our diced tomatoes to the blender. We're also going to add sea salt, black pepper, fresh organic basil, and a little bit of dry oregano. We're going to then pulse until we have a delicious tomato sauce. Next, we're going to take out our pizza crust because it's almost done, and we're going to add our sauce on top. We're also going to add some sweet onions, some fresh basil, some Roma tomatoes. Then we're going to take out our roasted garlic. Be careful, this is going to be really hot, but also really delicious. We're going to add a couple cloves of that roasted garlic on top of our pizza, and then we're going to add it back into our oven for a few minutes. Once my pizza is finished, I'm going to take it out of the oven and add some fresh arugula on top. I'm also going to add a drizzle of balsamic glaze. This is Bertolli. You can find this at any supermarket. It's relatively inexpensive and it'll last you a long time. So we just add a little bit of that glaze on top, just a drizzle. We don't want too much, otherwise it's going to become too sweet. But you can see what it looks like. Now I'm going to work on my salad, so I have some arugula, some fresh pear, and some roasted pecans. For breakfast, I'm going to do a sliced banana with fresh blueberries and golden delicious apples. So for breakfast, I have fresh blueberries, fresh banana, and fresh apples. For lunch, I have a pizza made with an oatmeal and almond crust, topped with Roma tomatoes, roasted garlic, arugula, sweet onions, and a balsamic glaze. For dinner, I have an arugula salad with fresh pear and toasted almonds. So that's it. Thanks for watching. There's going to be new videos every single day. So check back here on Instagram and Facebook. Make sure to share this video with your friends, and together we are going to become healthy and happy on this produce section challenge.